Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to channel for all things home care and cleaning hacks. Today we're tackling a messy problem that every parent dreads: slime in the carpet. Don't worry though, because I've got some foolproof methods to help you get that sticky stuff out of your carpet without a fuss. Let's dive right in. Introduction: why slime is tricky. Slime is fun to play with, but when it ends up on the carpet, it's a different story. The sticky, gooey texture makes it difficult to remove, especially if it's left to dry. But with the right tools and techniques, you can get your carpet looking good as new. Here's how. Method 1, Vinegar and Water Solution. White vinegar. Warm water. A spray bottle. A clean cloth or sponge. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and warm water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution directly onto the slime, making sure it's well saturated. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to break down the slime. Then, use a clean cloth or sponge to gently blot and lift the slime out of the carpet. Repeat as necessary until the slime is gone. Simple, right? Method 2, Dish soap and warm water. Dish soap preferably clear or mild. Warm water. A bowl. A clean cloth. Mix a few drops of dish soap with warm water in a bowl. Dip your cloth into the soapy water, then gently dab it onto the slime. The soap helps to break down the slime and makes it easier to remove. Once the slime starts to lift, use a dry part of the cloth to blot it out of the carpet. Keep going until all the slime is gone, then rinse the area with clean water and blot dry. And there you have it, 4 easy ways to get slime out of your carpet. Whether it's fresh or dried, these methods will help you clean up the mess without any stress. And if you've got any other cleaning hacks or home care tips you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.